circle.
No, that's a square. It goes where the purple square is.
No.
No. Yeah, right there.
Square.
Good job. That's a circle. I know it's red, but it doesn't go with the red one. It goes here.
Circle.
Good job.
Circle.
Oval. Yes, it goes there. Can you make it fit?
Oval.
Good job. Where does the octagon go? That's right.
Pentagon.
Can you make it fit?
Octagon.
Good job. Pentagon. That's right.
Pentagon.
Good job. Rectangle. No. It goes on the bottom. Bottom. Now turn it. Turn it so it fits.
Rectangle.
Good job. One more. Trapezoid.
Trapezoid.
That's right. Good job, Gwenny. Yay.